Hello, this is Nick James with Renova Contractors here in Ballard, Seattle area. We'll be starting a fire restoration project today. A roof burned down. We'll be restoring it to how it was before. Right now we will be doing the cleanup, getting the project ready to start for the workers to come in, covering all the floors on the inside. Boards, walls to prevent dust settling and just dirt. So fire restoration project in Ballard, Seattle area from Renova Contractors. Follow us along on one of our longer videos to see how it all turns out.